As an account owner or location admin, you can add any third-party app or website that your team members need right to the app. You can select the most important ones to display in the resource section of the app's home screen, and then any others can be kept in the Apps tab within the header. To start, expand the navigation panel by clicking on the 3 lines at the top of the left column. Mouse over Settings and choose App Configuration. Click on Apps in the left panel. Click on Add and then fill in all the relevant information needed for the app or website, starting with the URL. You can enter a name of the app and also a description. Next, you can choose which user should have access to the app in the target section. You can select all users or choose specific users. You can also add query parameters for the link if needed, as well as choose how the app opens and if it's displayed on the home screen. You can also display an icon for the app and a thumbnail. Once all of your sections are completed, click Save.